Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Open Pandora on your device. Whether you're using the mobile app or the web version, launch Pandora and sign into your account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create it first. Step 2. Navigate to your library or profile section. Look for the menu icon, or your profile picture in the top corner. This is where you'll find all your personalized content, including saved stations and playlists. Step 3. Find the Create New Playlist option. You should see a plus icon or a button that says Create New or Add Playlist. Tap or click on this to start building your custom playlist. Step 4. Give your playlist a name and description. Choose something catchy that reflects the mood or theme of your music. You can add a brief description to help you remember what the playlist is about later. Step 5. Start adding songs to your playlist. Search for your favorite tracks, albums, or artists. When you find a song you like, select it and choose Add to Playlist, then select the playlist you just created. Keep building your collection until you're happy with it.